and it's transmitting. Looks good. All right, I'm Ryan Raymond, and tonight I'm going to show you guys how to use the new upload profiles in the merch by Amazon. If you haven't logged into your dashboards yet, we just got a new message here a few hours ago discussing that we can use upload profiles, setting all sorts of different presets. So I'm going to show you guys some of the good and some of the bad. So I think merch did a good job on a start here, but I think there is some room for improvement. So let's take a look at it and see where the good and the bad and the pitfalls are going to be. Let's jump in here. If this is your first time here, I'm Ryan Raymond. I make videos about merch by Amazon. I started in 2018. I'm tier 4000 and have just been working and learning and sharing what I've learned and hopefully helping some people out there. So if this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you'd never miss any of my live videos. And I'm here most every day. Maybe not every day, all the time, but quite often. So I got a little thing here I gotta fix quick. There we go. And there. Sometimes you break things. There we go. Okay, so here's the message we got in our dashboard today. Thank you for your continued feedback on the new product creation experience. To save time, today we are launching a feature allowing you to save default published settings. To save settings, visit the Create page and select any combination of products, marketplace, fit types, colors, prices, and product details. Clicking the Save Publish Settings button will update your default options for all future publishes. You can remove your custom settings by either clicking the Delete link or saving new settings. So that's important to understand, guys. One thing that's important to understand what that is, you only can save one profile setting. That is probably the biggest downfall of it, is only one profile setting. You know what? Hopefully I'm not echoing. Okay, nope, wasn't echoing. Good. Just making sure that mic was muted. That was causing a problem there the other day. All right, so let's hop into the desktop and see what we got going on here. All right, so first thing, just showing you guys where I'm at. Oh, you guys got to see all of my shirts there. 3 shirts for today. Actually, all 3 are pop sockets. 9 sales yesterday, 3 so far today, 58 this month. So chugging along, just crossed 3,408 sales. So pretty happy about that. And dogs are whining about stuff. Okay, so thank you, analyst. Everything sounds fine. That is good. Didn't want another mistake like we had the other night. So that is good news. So we want to come to Create now. So when I come into Create, I created a profile here, and I'll show you guys what I did and where the downfalls are. So I am currently set up for custom settings and the publishing settings, and the thing right here, so I have custom settings and I can click delete. So if you come here and click edit details, you can see I selected youth, I selected all the fit sizes, asphalt, black, brown, purple. Here's a general normal color profile that I use. Now the important thing is you're going to want to use this when you're doing batch uploading. So a whole bunch of designs that are all going to fit a same category. You're going to set it one time and then it's going to just reload each time. Or if you always use the same settings and the same colors, no matter what you design, this is going to be perfect for you guys. So I came in here, I selected all the products, and I didn't fill in any details. Now, let's say I wanted to start over. Let's say I wanted to do a design and I was doing a whole bunch of black designs, black fonts and phrases on it. So let me just grab a PNG here that I made earlier. Help speed up your process. Merch Wizard is great for that. You can get it at ryanaraymond.com/wizard if you guys want to try it out. Okay, so we did a black shirt here, and I'm gonna want this on white, heather gray, silver. We're gonna do red, pink, orange, light blue, yellow. We can do green, and I am gonna do it on dark heather, and maybe I'm gonna take it off dark heather and get it on the heather blue. I think it'll stand out better on the dark heather with some of their new guidelines. I haven't looked at black on dark heather. I haven't tried that one yet. So that's something I haven't done. All right, just for the sake of what we're doing here, we're creating a new profile. So it's set on the merge default. I'm going to copy the colors, and I'm just speeding up my own process for the video, but normally you would have to come in here and checkbox all the colors. Now in this one here, I'm going to say select no colors. What does black text look good on? Baby blue. We'll put it on the dark heather, the light heather, pink, purple, red, and sapphire. Now the black doesn't look good on all of these, so we're going to say select no colors. Right here, do dark heather, heather gray, pink, purple, red, blue, royal, white. Picking, I'm just going to do the heather gray for each of these products. Now for the Raglans, all the colors work, so you select all the colors. And we're just going to go to the light heather. Now, normally you would be, video is low res. I'm outputting at 720. It's what I had to do to stop it from crashing for now. I'm going to be trying to fix that up. So if there is an issue on the stream, hopefully I am transmitting and it looks like I am not quite getting 30 frames per second. So that may be a bit of an issue. Hopefully it's not too bad. Actually, this is probably where you're having the biggest trouble seeing. Let me see if I can zoom in this creator. There we go. So you can see the black text. Now I want to do this as a demo for the hoodies. So I'm going to use the resizer from Merch Wizard here. Just click activate resizer. Let me get it on a white shirt. And I just click download PNG. And then I'm going to change it to pop socket. Do the white background. Decrease the zoom on my pop socket. And hit download. That's not something you have to use, guys. If you resize your images before you upload them, you don't need to use the Merch Wizard resizer, but it's part of my workflow. I only ever design the t-shirt in the normal size. So if you want to try that, give it a try. If you don't, it's not needed. Don't worry about it. Okay, so looks like I screwed something up here and erased a bunch of colors. So there we go, pasting the colors back in. And we want this one to not be, we just want it on the heather gray. All the Raglans, heather gray. We're gonna take it off the dark colors. I'm just doing this as an example. Not saying that this is the best way to do it. I'm just doing this for an example of showing how to set up, this profile. I don't think it's gonna look good on the dark heather. Take it off the navy and we'll leave it on the royal, red, purple, and heather gray. All right, so the next thing is, if I'm doing a bunch of batch uploading, I probably am using the same brand name, and maybe I'm even using the same bullets. So what if I wanted to pre-populate that information? So all I have to do is type in new titles, or one title, and I always use the same bullets. So depending on your process and who you are, you may want to fill in more of this information. So I'm going to put in here, and I'll just use my generic brand that I use kind of for everything. And so in here, let's say I'm doing a whole bunch of black text shirts and I wanted kind of a generic bullet point, maybe something like this, all black text version of our funny phrase design is perfect for sarcastic teens who love to wear funny outfits. Let's say I wanted that in every single one of my designs. I can just put it in here. So I put the brand, and that's all I want. Now I am myself, I'm going to copy that product text, and I'm going to slap it over here on the German side and use my Merch Wizard translator to translate this over. It's given me an error because I didn't put in the title. Sorry, let me transition. Sorry about that. So anyway, we had novelty merch, brand name there. This all black text version of our funny phrase design is perfect for sarcastic teens who love to wear funny outfits. Pack that into the German, and we have this template set up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come all the way down here on the bottom, and you're going to click Save Publish Settings. And it's giving you the option to remember these settings for each product: and the product availability, the colors, the fit type, the brand name, the product title, key features, and descriptions. Anything you put in here will now be sitting here waiting for you to upload every single time. Depending on how you do things, guys, you can have your prices set, you can have all sorts of options set, and it is going to speed up your workflow. Now, the problem with it is it doesn't have multiple profiles. So I just hit save, and we'll just back out and I'll show you guys what'll happen here. So just reloading my dashboard here. And when I come back and click create, what's gonna happen is you'll see right here, it's already got, if I click edit details, all the product colors are already pre-selected for me. The brand name's already in, and one bullet point is already done. So depending on what your workflow is, this is either going to help you or you're not really going to use it, because I know people who use like the Merch Wizard uploader. I just haven't used it, and some people are going to tell me like I probably should be because it'll speed things up. I hear a lot. Maybe I'll check it out one day. But depending on what you're doing, if you're like me and doing a lot of it manually here on the computer or on your phone, having those defaults already programmed in, you know, standard color choices, you know, if I usually pick the same colors, prices, I could set a lower price profile and say I'm uploading everything at, you know, $16.85. I think it's going to be, it's a good step, Amazon. Let me save multiple profiles so I can just pick which one I want. That would be very helpful if anyone at Amazon watches these. I don't know. Anyway, guys, that's what I've got for tonight. Thank you for being here. And if you haven't yet, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, turn on the notification bells. And I'm going to waste a little bit of time, because if I do things right and kill about 20 seconds here, and then probably have to wait a little bit more because it'll end the stream too early. There should be an end frame up here with 4 videos. You guys can click on them and watch another video. Stay in my videos. Don't watch the other ones. Just kidding. There's some other good ones out there. But I like it when you guys watch mine better. Just saying. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good night. Killing 20 seconds. I don't know. Maybe that's good enough.